Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Devina Ika Ramadhani, usually called Devina. I am from the Elementary School Teacher Education Study program of Malam Open University. In this video, I will answer a question about free time and give example in English to help expand our vocabulary. Definition of leisure time. Leisure time is the free time we have when we are not working or studying. It is a time to relax and enjoy activities that make us happy. Example of leisure activities. Some leisure activities including reading, watching movies, playing sport, or spending time with friends. Definition of indoor activities. Indoor activities are activities that are done inside a building, such as a house or gym. Example indoor activities. Some indoor activities include playing board game, cooking, painting, and exercising indoors. Definition of outdoor activities. Outdoor activities are activities that place offset, usually in open space like park, mountain, or the beach. Example for outdoor activities. Some outdoor activities include hiking, cycling, swimming, or playing soccer. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this information is useful and helps improve our English vocabulary. Happy learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.